Hi, and welcome to my next installment of different body parts that can have pain and inflammation, and some good tips and exercises that you can do. My name is Trenda, and this week's topic is hips. And hips don't lie, as per Shakira. We need to listen to our hips because it's the biggest ball and socket joint you have in your body and has a great deal of range of motion. So it does everything from hip flexion, extension, adduction, abduction, internal and external rotation, so a lot of things. And because I've covered some of the exercises in previous installments with regards to your knees and your feet, I'm not going to be reviewing squats, lunges, or straight leg raises, but I would recommend doing them, especially for your hips too. The focus this week is actually going to be on stretching. So stretching will help with some of this pain and inflammation and that type of thing. And so I'm going to begin with number one tip, which is a figure 4 stretch. So you want to be comfortably lying down in your bed or on a mat with a towel underneath your head would be great. And then what you're going to want to do is bring your heel towards your shin or all the way up. I have good flexibility, so I can bring it up past my knee kind of thing. Make sure your foot's flexed, and if that's all you can do, that's fine. If you can reach through to the back of your thigh and bring your leg up, even better. And you want to hold this stretch for 30 seconds. You can also move within this stretch, so you can actually pretend you're the rudder of a boat and you're kind of moving your hips along that rocking motion, but it's more on a horizontal. And you can pull it in a little bit more and do the same thing. And of course, do both sides as per what I've suggested. You can also point your toes, grab your shins, and do the same type of motion. And you're going to really dig into your gluteals, which is really good because they're one of your prime movers. So your gluteus minimus, maximus, and medius. I'm just going to show you off the mat because I don't really have room to relax your sacrum and lower back, because sometimes that's really digs into your muscles. You're going to bring your arms out to both sides. You're going to bring one leg straight and the other leg is going to be bent. You're going to cross over your knee to the other side, and then you're going to look to the palm in the opposite direction, and that's really going to stretch right through your hip and into your lower back. And of course, again, both sides. If you're wanting to stretch your adductors, and actually just a really good stretch in general is bring your booty as close to the wall as you can, flex your feet. And this is a great relaxation before you go to bed too, and it's good for your internal organs. And that's a good one to hold for 30 seconds. And then you can bring your legs out as much as you can. And that's really working your abduction and adduction. So that's super good to do. And then I'm going to go to my side and, my band. You can use a band or not. And I prefer to be up on my elbow for this one. But what you want to do is bend your lower leg, bring your leg out, and then you're just going to bend your knee and bring your heel back towards your bum. keeping the rest of your leg as straight as possible, so don't tilt forward, backward. It's nicely aligned, your hip and knee joint. And you could use a band across your ankle to help pull it closer to your bum. So that's a side like stretch. It's actually stretching your quadricep, which is really, really good too. And so then I'd just like to talk about what you can do for pain. So ice packs are great for if you have bursal problems and inflammation. And for warm up for before you stretch or to relax your muscles, Epsom Salt Baths are great. They really do help with relaxation and just warming up that muscle. And I actually recommend putting in essential oils, and my favorite right now is lavender oil, just a couple drops. And then tip number 3 would be to limit your time in a chair and get up and move around. Set an alarm if you need to. Use a standing workstation. I have one and I use it once in a while. And yeah, just get up and move around. So for today, I'd recommend outdoor. Getting outdoors is absolutely the best thing. Meet someone for coffee, do a little walk. That would be great. And now I'm just going to put that exercise stretch to music now. If you want to stay for this, that would be great. And of course, heel to shin or further up. Reach through if you can. And pull up. And let's go for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it forward more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good, bring it down, let's switch. Whatever level works for you. Flex your foot, bring it up, pull it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's do some abduction, and hold. Let's bring it out. Bring it out a little farther if you can. Not too much, don't extend too far. I'm gonna guess that that's about 30 seconds. You may need more time in between. You might not be close to a wall. And then let's do a relaxation. One leg down, knee across. Let's look to the side. Relax, breathe. And that's all we have time for, but make sure you do the other side as well. And have a great day, and hopefully that helps in relaxing your hips, strengthening them, lengthening them, relaxing them. Have a good day.